POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Beyerdynamic. And this is the MMX 300 Pro gaming headphones, or really headset right here. And what we're going to do today is we're going to open this box and we're going to take a look and see what's inside and what it comes with. What does it look like? But first we'll go over some of the general specs surrounding this specific model. This is a wired pair of heads, or just wired headset. It's not wireless. It's stereo, so you don't have surround, except that you kind of do because they're in a partnership along with many other companies, actually. Technically, any pair of headphones that you have or headset can work with it, but they work with Immerse, which is the Hive application that allows you to, take any pair of headphones or headset and break it out into spatial audio. So you get 360-degree sound using the software with any pair of headphones. So that'll work with these, with the MMX 300s. And we have a whole nother video and content surrounding that, which we'll make sure to link in the description below. But for now, we're just gonna focus on these. And they are closed back, so they are private. You're not gonna really pick up a lot of audio, at least other people aren't gonna pick up a lot of audios. They're nearby. It's gonna just kind of keep everything to your ears. And it has an adjustable boom microphone. It is a condenser microphone with a cardioid polar pickup pattern. It has a 32 ohm impedance, which shouldn't be an issue if you're connecting this to a computer. We're really, actually with 32 ohms, you're not gonna have any issue with anything. You can plug this into your smartphone and still get excellent audio. Should be able to get excellent audio with these. And it offers both PC and console support. But let's go ahead and get to that opening part. For one, you get this beautiful box here. It's nice, it's big. You know what that means? Anytime it's big like this, coming from Beyerdynamic, that means there's gonna be probably a nice hefty travel case inside. That's a semi-hard case, I'm guessing. But we're gonna find out in just a moment. One of the first things you get to is just neatly placed on top here. It's just a little quick start guide here that walks you through using the headphones and what the Inline Remote does. And it offers a mute switch with volume control, as well as a button on the side, which is a multi-functioning button for accepting calls or media control and temporary mute as well. And there's 2 cables in the box too, which is pretty nice. And then digging deeper into the box, we'll focus on the accessories for now. This first cable is the 2.5 meter in length cable. This one's going to be reserved for PC use, and the purpose of that is you have dual inputs here, or at least 2 different plugs to plug into your computer. So the catch is when you're using this with a computer or a laptop, you're going to need a system that has a sound card or motherboard that supports 2 different inputs. One for the audio going to your ears, and one that's coming from the microphone, your input, going to the computer. If you do not, like let's say it's a modern laptop, which a lot of them have a TRRS connection, which has 3 rings instead of 2, you're gonna need a USB kind of adapter or external sound card that's gonna be able to give you both of these ports if you wanna use the microphone. If you just wanna use the headphones, then that's fine. You can just plug this in on just this side. You can tell which is which based on the colors that the rings are. This one is green, which refers to the audio going to your ears, and this one, the rings are red, which refers to the audio that's coming from the microphone. That's only if you wanna use this cable. Again, it's 2.5 meters long, so it's for those who want that longer stretch of a cable. And the end that's going to the headphones is everything, it's all inclusive, all in one connection. And then the Inline Remote here, again, both of these cables are going to have the Inline Remote. You have your hard switch for mute there. You have your volume toggle here on the side, and then you have your multi-functioning button here, which is for pausing music, play pause, or accepting phone calls or whatnot. This second cable, this one is dedicated to consoles, or if you want to use this on a laptop, this should work with your laptop as well, because this is a TRRS connection, so it includes both the audio going to your ears and the microphone, the audio going to the system in one connection. So this is going to be for your console or something like a laptop, or if you want to use this on a mobile device like a phone or a tablet. So this will be the cable you're using with that. It's shorter, it's not as long. This one is 1.2 meters long, but it does feature everything. It's the same, you got the same hard switch for your mute, your volume toggle on the side, and your multi-functioning button. Then we have that awesome case I was referring to. Beyerdynamic does this with a number of their models. It's a very similar design to most of those. It's a nice kind of semi-hard shell case, and it provides just a lot of protection for the headphones. You have a loop that's sewn into it at the very top here for just strapping it or hooking onto something if you have like a carabiner or something. And then you also have one here at the bottom, a smaller one in case this is too thick for you. Everything fits nicely in here. You have a small little Velcro pouch here, or Velcro stuck pouch. So your 1/4 inch adapter is going to go in here just so you have it handy at all times with you and traveling with the headphones. As for the cable, whichever cable of choice that you want to use, or if you want to use both, you just randomly throw them in here, coil them up and fit them in there as you see fit. And then you have the headphones. And these headphones are incredibly light, which is pretty nice, especially for a pair of gaming headphones that you're going to be spending hours using. You have your boom microphone here. It can swirl both ways. So this all depends on if you are wanting it on the left side of your ears or on your right. Although that's going to be kind of weird since your right muff is on this side and your left muff is on this side. So it can go both ways for the microphone, but your left and right channels are going to get switched. So you're probably not going to really use this on your right side as much. Just keep it to the left like this. But the boom microphone, it's absolutely adjustable. So you can move it around to whatever comfort zone you want it to be focused on in front of your mouth. But again, about the lightness of these headphones, they're incredibly light. I think they're only like 300 and something grams. It's not bad at all. With the cable added in there, it's going to be a little bit heavier, but not much. I mean, it's just a cable. The connection point for that cable is on the left muff. And then you have those really comfortable foam pads here that are on each muff. They feel great. The padding inside is really great too, which is also nice. The padding that's inside is nice and soft, so that way if you have one of those ears that touches all the way up to the muff, you're not going to have that thin piece of material that you're going to just feel that plastic or the cone or anything else that's behind there poking through and bothering you. So that's going to add some more comfort. And then the headband it's just a very nice soft vinyl, both top and bottom, but most of the cushion is on the bottom here. And then of course they are adjustable. They swivel just a little bit. They have a lot of give to them, so they can adjust to any size or shaped head. Putting them on right now, they're the initial, since I haven't really brought it to size, there we go. It's just stiff enough on the head where they're not going to fall off. They're not going to be loose in case you're kind of a crazy gamer that likes to use a lot of body language by throwing their head around. They're not going to go flying off. They do stick to your head quite nicely, and they're actually quite comfortable. And I do not notice the microphone until I bring it up or anything like that, so it's definitely out of the way. It's not going to be a nuisance for most people or anything. I mean, it shouldn't be a nuisance for anyone, really, just because of the flexibility of the gooseneck. And just the overall design it's nice, but also typical for Beyerdynamic. I mean, it looks like a pair of Beyerdynamics. There's no doubt about that. It screams Beyerdynamic. And it's similar to some of the other ones, like their custom series and whatnot, except that you don't have the ability to customize the panels on the sides. But that's it. It's really light. It's really comfortable. Has a lot of give to it for any, again, shape of head. The microphone isn't detachable, so it is permanent on there, so there is no taking that off. And it is what it is. It's a gaming headset. The MSRP of this is $299, but we are kind of late to the game on this. I think this released like 2017 originally. I think 2017. So, it's really late to the game on this specific model, but also that means that the price has come down a little bit since it originally released at $299. Of course, Beyerdynamic holds its value pretty well as a company and all their products, at least, and even though it jumped down in price, it's not by much. It's $279 currently, so at least it's a little bit of a bonus. You save 20 bucks. But we'll have links for that in the description, as well as a link to the full review later on once we actually give some time to listen to these and use them in front of a game or two to see what we think about them. And that'll be at POCnetwork.net. We'll also have links in the description about the before mentioned Hive, the spatial audio software that can really bring these headphones to life. Take them from a stereo headset and turn them into a fully 360-degree surround headset. So check out that in the description as well. If you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below. Click that subscribe button and follow us. And don't forget to comment in case you have a pair of these or you just have questions for others or we just all want to talk about these or this pair, this headset. Definitely use those comments and let's chat. As always, we thank you for watching and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. button. Click it.